Hello guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of playlist not showing on YouTube. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of playlist on not showing on YouTube app, you will click on settings. In the first page, you can find the page of apps like this, and you can search about the application of YouTube. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors or can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.